In a peaceful town, there lived a boy named Rohan. He was talented, intelligent, and full of potential. Everyone in his school and neighborhood admired him for his quick learning skills and sharp memory. However, Rohan had one major weakness. He lacked discipline and consistency. Instead of using his time wisely, he spent hours watching television, playing video games, and chatting with friends. His parents often advised him, say, Rohan's success doesn't come from talent alone. Hard work, discipline, and good habits are equally important. But Rohan always replied, I'll do it later. There's plenty of time. He believed that since he was smart, he would always manage to do well without much effort one day. His school announced the results of the annual exams. Rohan had expected to be among the toppers. But when he received his report card, his heart sank. He had failed in 2 subjects. His teachers who once praised him were now disappointed. His classmates who admired him started ignoring him. His parents, who always believed in his abilities, looked at him with sadness. That evening, Rohan sat alone in his room, staring at his report card. How did this happen? He thought, I am intelligent. Then why did I fail? Feeling lost. He decided to speak to his grandfather, who was known for his wisdom. Rohan found his grandfather sitting in the garden, reading a book. He hesitated for a moment, then sat beside him and said, Grandpa, I don't understand what went wrong. I have always been a smart student, yet I fail. Why, his grandfather closed the book, smiled and said, Let me tell you a story, Rohan. Maybe it will help you understand. Long ago in a village, there were 2 farmers, Rummies and Shures. Both had equal land, similar weather conditions, and the same opportunities. But their approach to work was different. Ari's was hard-working and disciplined. He woke up early, ploughed his fields, watered his crops, on time, and took care of them. Daily Shures, on the other hand, was lazy and careless. Yes, he often thought there's plenty of time, I'll do it later, instead of working on his farm. He spent his time resting under the tree, chatting with friends and dreaming about success. Months passed when the harvesting season arrived. Ramesh's field was full of healthy golden crops. His hard work had paid off, and he enjoyed a great harvest. But when Shees went to his farm, he was shocked. His crops had dried up. Beads had taken over his field, and he had nothing left to harvest. He regretted his laziness, but it was too late. Grandfather paused and looked at Rohan. Tell me, Rohan, why did Shures fail while Rames succeeded? Rohan thought for a moment and replied, Because Rames worked hard and used his time wisely, while Shees wasted his time and ignored his responsibilities. His grandfather nodded exactly. Intelligence and talent mean nothing without discipline and effort. Just like a farmer must take care of his crops every day, a student must nurture his mind and skills. Daily, success doesn't come to those who wait and waste time. It comes to those who take action at the right moment. Rohan felt a deep realization. He had been like Shures, wasting time and assuming success would come automatically. He finally understood that success is not just about being smart. It's about using time wisely, being consistent, and putting in the effort every day. From that day, Rohan decided to change his habits. He created a study schedule, minimized distractions, and focused on self-improvement. He woke up early and started his day with a plan. He dedicated fixed hours to study and revision. He reduced screen time and avoided unnecessary distractions. He set daily goals and made sure to complete them. At first, it was difficult, but gradually he started seeing results. His understanding improved, his grades got better, and his confidence grew. When the next exam results were announced, Rohan secured the top position in his class. His teachers praised him, his friends admired him, and his parents were proud of him. His grandfather smiled and said, "Now you know, Rohan, that true success isn't just about being smart. It's about how you use your time and efforts wisely. Success is not about luck or intelligence alone. It is about the using time, wisely being disciplined and consistent, taking responsibility for your future, not postponing important tasks." Many people have potential, but only those who take action at the right time truly succeed.